Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can make your files, folders and items public in your Google Drive account using your Android phone. So let us jump right into it. Launch the Google Drive application on your Android, and what you want to do after that is, for example, browse through your files and folders here in the home section, or head over to the file section here, and after that pick the file or folder or item you would like to share with your contacts and friends. So what you want to do, guys, is simply tap on these three dots next to the given file name or folder name, and from the following drop-down menu simply select Manage Access here. After that you will be redirected to that setup here. So here at the top you will see all users and people that have currently access to the given file or folder, which on default should be you or the owner of the given Google Drive account. So if you'd like to share the given file or folder with people like your contacts or friends, for example, to give them general access, simply tap on Restricted here below or on Change. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to change the given item's visibility or accessibility status by tapping on Restricted here and by switching from Restricted to anyone with the link. And that's basically it. After that, the permission will be updated so that you now can, for example, assign roles to the contacts or people you share the file with, like viewer, for example, commenter or editor. Or if you'd like to share the given file with your friends and contacts, simply tap on that link button in the top right corner to copy the shareable link to your clipboard and to share the link to the given item via direct messaging services, emails, social media posts, and so on and so forth. And that's how you make your files and folders public in Google Drive on your Android phone. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.